English to Kannada past tense. I made equals.
ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Great to have you here. Let's make Kannada click today. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and free practice tools. Today you'll master English to Kannada past tense of make, do. I made equals.
ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
Ready? Let's roll. Your goal today. By the end, you'll brag and praise like a pro, clearly and confidently. You'll learn I made.
ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
You made, singular.
ನೀನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
She made.
ಅವಳು ಮಾಡಿದಳು.
Plus it made.
ಅದು ಮಾಡಿತು.
We did.
ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದೆವು.
You all made.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ.
And the base verb make.
ಮಾಡು.
Quick forms, with a beat. Clap lightly and repeat after me. Keep it snappy and smile. I made.
ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
You made, singular.
ನೀನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
She made.
ಅವಳು ಮಾಡಿದಳು.
It made.
ಅದು ಮಾಡಿತು.
We did.
ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದೆವು.
You, plural, made.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ.
Base verb, make, do.
ಮಾಡು.
Mini dialogue, the cake caper. A tiny, tasty drama to lock in the forms. A. Who made this cake? B. I made it.
ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
A. Really? I thought you made it.
ನೀನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
C. She made the frosting.
ಅವಳು ಮಾಡಿದಳು.
D. And the mixer? It made a scary noise.
ಅದು ಮಾಡಿತು.
All. We did it together.
ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದೆವು.
You all made it possible.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ.
Call and response drill. I say the cue, you fire the Kannada out loud. Say, I made.
ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
Say, you made, singular.
ನೀನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
Say, she made.
ಅವಳು ಮಾಡಿದಳು.
Say, it made.
ಅದು ಮಾಡಿತು.
Say, we did.
ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದೆವು.
Say, you, plural, made.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ.
Base verb, make, do.
ಮಾಡು.
Culture tip. Here's a quick Kannada tip to sound natural. In Kannada, the verb
ಮಾಡು
covers both make and do. Polite or plural you is
ನೀವು
past.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ.
Casual singular you is
ನೀನು
past.
ನೀನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
For present tense you'd switch to forms like I do equals.
ನಾನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ.
But today we're celebrating the past.
ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
Quiz time. Quick quiz, answer out loud, then check yourself. Q1. English to Kannada, we did? A.
ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದೆವು.
Q2. Kannada to English.
ಅದು ಮಾಡಿತು.
A. It made. Q3. Fill the blank. Yesterday, she underscore. A.
ಅವಳು ಮಾಡಿದಳು.
Q4. What is the base verb, make, do? A.
ಮಾಡು.
Challenge and wrap up. One final push. You've got this. Challenge. Speak 3 true sentences today. I made.
ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
You made.
ನೀನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
We did.
ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದೆವು.
Then swap in, she made.
ಅವಳು ಮಾಡಿದಳು.
It made.
ಅದು ಮಾಡಿತು.
And, you all made.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ.
Use the base verb.
ಮಾಡು.
In new contexts. Thanks for listening with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing, replay this episode, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more Kannada learning fun. See you next time.